Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about iodine. Now iodine is a trace mineral. Most of the iodine is taken up by a thyroid gland for the manufacturing of thyroid hormones. T3, tridothyronine. T4, thyroxine. The inactive form of thyroid hormone T4 gets converted into the active form T3 by the help of liver, by the help of gallbladder. Apart from iodine, there is another trace mineral which is called selenium, which also plays a very important role in converting the inactive form of thyroid hormone into the active form. Therefore, whenever a person is having any deficiency of iodine, we always consider that they should take supplements which has all these trace minerals rather than just having one concentrated form of a trace mineral. What are the benefits of iodine? Iodine plays a very important role in the brain functioning of infants. A pregnant woman suffering from iodine deficiency gives birth to infants having mental retardation, which is called cretinism. Iodine also plays a very important role in regulating our metabolism. Around 50% of our metabolism is regulated by our thyroid. Apart from thyroid gland, iodine is also required for the proper functioning of our reproductive organs like ovaries, breasts, uterus, testicles, prostate. Iodine also plays a very important role in removing of harmful toxins and metals from our body like lead and mercury. People who are consuming high amounts of fish containing mercury and lead, iodine helps to remove these toxins from our body. Iodine also plays a very important role in preventing insulin spike. They are diabetic friendly. It helps to balance our blood sugar levels. Now, what causes deficiency of iodine? Having fruits and vegetables grown in soil which is depleted of iodine. This is commonly seen in hilly areas where because of melting of glaciers, because of heavy rainfalls, the top layer of the soil gets washed away. And along with these, all important nutrients, minerals, all get depleted. So having fruits and vegetables from such areas leads to iodine deficiencies. People consuming large amount of cruciferous vegetables like kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, green leafy vegetables in raw form. Now they contain a compound which is called as goitrogens. These goitrogens interfere with the intake of iodine by our thyroid gland, and this leads to hypothyroid. Now, I would always say that this case is quite rare because it's not possible that a person is going to consume large amount of cruciferous vegetables throughout the day and not having any other food other than that. Whenever we eat food, we eat balanced foods. We include good quality of complex carbohydrates. We include good quality proteins, vegetables, fruits, fat. So we always, whenever we sit down to eat food, we always eat complete balanced meals. Now, it's very rare that people are having large amounts of only cruciferous vegetables throughout the day. Now, such people will have iodine deficiencies. But like I said, it's a very rare case. Having a cup of cooked cruciferous vegetables, even for a person who is suffering from hypothyroid, it won't be an issue. The reason being, cruciferous vegetables have lots of benefits. So having a cup of cooked vegetable in a day would not be an issue and will not cause iodine deficiency. Now people who are going on completely no salt. We know in our country we get salt which is fortified with iodine. So people who are going on completely no salt diet might get iodine deficiency. Endocrine disruptors. Now these are chemicals found in food that disrupt our hormone system. These are herbicides, fungicides, pesticides which are sprayed on food, genetically modified foods, BPA in plastics, foods that contain antibiotics and hormones. These disrupt our hormone system. High levels of stress, estrogen dominance. There are certain foods like estrogen mimicking foods that causes estrogen imbalance in our body. They cause estrogen dominance. Foods like processed soya foods, like mock meat, soya granules, veggie patties, which are made out of processed soya milk. One should stop consuming these processed soya products. Now, there is no harm in consuming natural foods like fermented tempeh, tofu, edamame, miso. These are fermented soya products which are good for you. But avoid the processed soya products. People who are on hormone replacement therapy, birth control pills, these leads to estrogen dominance, leading to thyroid problems. The other points are, like I mentioned, about 80% of our inactive thyroid hormone gets converted into its active form with the help of liver and gallbladder. So obviously people who are having liver problems, people who are having less of bile, people who have removed gallbladder, they tend to have problems related to thyroid problems. So whenever we see these T3 and T4, we should understand that the 3 and the 4 represents the iodine molecules which are attached to the thyroid hormone. So what happens if you are deficient of iodine? It leads to weight gain, brain fog, miscarriages, infertility problem, menstruation problem, stillbirths, depression. Try to include fruits and vegetables that are rich in iodine. Include seaweed in your diet, which is a good source of iodine. I hope these points were useful. I'll be posting more videos related to nutrition and health. This is Menka Vijayan signing off. Thank you.